Alright guys, so check it out. I went back to Saraga, got some of that golden gobo, which I was told is actually burdock root. So I went ahead and cut a piece off and peeled it. All this is peeled except for the apples. I'm going to make carrot, apple, beet, lemon, ginger, burdock root juice. It's my first time using the burdock root. I'm actually trying to emulate the drink I had after my colonic the other day, the gingerade I had at Georgetown Market. So here we go. Using the Breville Juicer on high. That might have been too full. Alright, another carrot. Apple. Another apple. Beet. 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 Lemon. Ginger. Golden gobo burdock root thing. Alrighty then. I'm actually going to grab a jar to put that in. I think I stuffed it too full with carrots at first. This is only my third time using the Breville here, so my second time on camera. Not sure we're supposed to keep the top on right there. I don't think you are. So I'm going to go ahead and pour a glass of the juice here. This is what I'm going to take for work this morning. Oh yeah. Whoop. It's nice and red from the beets. I'm going to go ahead and try it on camera here. Alright, so here we go. That is good. That's actually pretty close to what my health food store makes, my local health food store. Could be a little bit more gingery, actually. I took the juicer apart to clean it, and look what I found. The burdock root didn't juice all the way, it was just sitting right there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and juice a little bit more ginger because I wanted a little more gingery. Put the rest of this back in there and maybe put an apple down there, just push it through. So yeah, here we go. I'm just going to put that there. Rest of this and an apple. let's see if that's any better. First, I'm going to take this apart just to see if it juiced this time. Well, now this time the top of the apple didn't juice, but there's no burdock root in there, so hopefully it all came out this time. All right, so I'll go ahead and try it this time. Oh yeah. That is good. That extra kick of ginger really helped. It's nice and gingery now. Alright, so now that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Oh! Look what I found! This thing won't juice! Why won't this juice? Alright guys, so now it's time to teach me something. Why won't that piece of burdock root juice? Do I need to use my wheatgrass juicer maybe, or a twin gear juicer or something? Because it's not juicing in the centrifugal juicer. Maybe that part was too thick, because that was the very end of it. So maybe I should try a smaller part next time. But alrighty then. Thanks for watching.